Greetings, ITBU 6200 students. Welcome to week 2, video number 1. So please take note as you groan a little bit maybe. This is probably going to be our heaviest week. So please be sure to plan to make enough time to go through these slides, do the links, watch the videos, and complete the activities that I'm assigning this week. Okay. So here's our agenda for today. Please note that there are 2 assignments kind of buried in the slides here, and we'll walk through how to do them together. And you will need to plan time to get these done on your own. So we're continuing from where we left off last week. You met Sheena. So Sheena was a recent CPA graduate who was hired by Thorough Public Library to do this job. And she's going to be looking after IT and the makerspace at the Thorough Public Library. So just to give you an idea of what is a makerspace, because some of you might not know, this is a really nice makerspace at Edmonton Public Library. This is the kind of equipment that's there. So libraries are really responding to what their customers want by having places for people to be innovative and creative and explore things beyond print books or ebooks, right? And to make new knowledge, not just go and read about things, but actually make new knowledge, do their own research that way. So typically they'll have things like computer software that you might not have access to at home, cool tools, recording studios, so you can make family videos, you can make family cards, and they'll have a lot of equipment that you can take home even. It's not always all there. Okay, so that's what a makerspace is, and that's what she's doing. So last week, remember, she learned a little bit about what managers do, so what Emily, her boss, does, about the organization structure at the library at Thorough, but we learned about all different types of organization structures and about governance, how private and public businesses or organizations are governed. So this week they're going to focus on planning. We're going to focus on planning. So the library is working on a new strategic plan that will guide them over the next 5 years and provide direction on what services they should offer, where they should spend their money, and have staff focus. So a strategic plan is a process where you gather information about the current situation in which your business works. Okay, so you gather it, you evaluate it, you analyze it so you know where you're at. And then you learn what kinds of things, services, or products your customers want. Okay, so you're a business, what do your customers want? You might be delivering or building a certain thing, but if that's not what your customers want, you're not going to get customers. So you're not going to keep them happy. Then you make a plan that reflects what your customers, your community wants. And then the next thing you do is you operationalize that plan by identifying exactly what you are going to do to ensure that the plan, the goals of the plan are achieved. So we're going to do all of this together. We're going to do this on a planning worksheet. So what I invite you to do right now is when this video stops is go into DC Connect and open up this planning sheet so we can work through it together.